Wagon R FX. Year of manufacture, 2017. Year of registration, 2018. Condition, excellent/well-maintained, 139,000 kilometers, second owner. All service records are available and up to date. No repairs or maintenance required, ready to drive. Recently completed. Full service, including gearbox oil change, air conditioning service, brake pad replacement, windscreen nano coating, new battery installed. All bills and service records are available for inspection. LKR 5900, call 0779 308 426. Please subscribe Anchorage LCP.